Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Alice, and we are going to talk about something that happened to me last week. I lost my wallet.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Wait, you lost your wallet? Oh no, what happened? Tell me everything.
Yes, it was a terrible day, but I learned many things. And today, we will share some useful English words and sentences about losing and finding things.
That is a great idea. Everyone loses something in life. Keys, phones, wallets. It happens to all of us. So this conversation will be very helpful for our listeners.
Exactly. And don't worry, the story has a happy ending.
Oh, I am so curious now. Let's start from the beginning. Where were you when you lost your wallet?
I was at the supermarket. I went there to buy some food. It was around 5 o'clock in the evening, and the store was very crowded.
Crowded means many people, right?
Yes, crowded means full of people. The supermarket was crowded because everyone was shopping after work.
I see. So you were shopping, the store was crowded, and then what happened?
I finished shopping, I paid for my food, and I put my wallet back in my pocket. Or at least I thought I put it back. Then I walked home.
And when did you notice that your wallet was gone?
About 1 hour later, I was at home and I wanted to order pizza online. I looked for my wallet and it was not there.
Oh no, that feeling is terrible. Your heart starts beating very fast and your hands get cold.
Yes, that is exactly how I felt. I checked my bag, I checked my jacket, I checked my pants. Nothing. No wallet.
What did you do next?
First, I took a deep breath. I told myself, stay calm, David, stay calm. Then I started thinking, where did I use it last?
That is smart. When you lose something, the first step is to think about the last time you saw it.
Yes, and I remembered. The supermarket. I used my wallet to pay at the supermarket.
So did you go back to the supermarket?
Yes, I walked back very fast. Actually, I almost ran.
Almost ran? You must have been very worried.
I was. I kept thinking about everything inside my wallet. My ID card, my credit card, some cash.
Let me stop you for a moment. You said ID card. What does ID mean?
Oh, good question. ID means identification. An ID card is a card that shows who you are. For example, a driver's license or a national ID card.
Thank you. And you also said credit card. That is a card you use to buy things and pay later?
Exactly. And cash means paper money. So I had my ID card, my credit card, and some cash in my wallet. Losing all of that is very stressful.
Very stressful. So you ran back to the supermarket. What happened when you arrived?
I went straight to the customer service desk.
Customer service desk. Can you explain that phrase?
Yes. The customer service desk is the place in a store where you go for help. If you have a problem, that is where you go.
Ah, I understand. Like an information desk.
Yes, very similar. So I went up to the desk and I said, "Excuse me, I think I lost my wallet here. Did anyone find a wallet?"
That must have been a difficult moment.
It was. The woman at the desk asked me, "What color is your wallet?" I said, "It is black leather."
Leather is the material, right? Many wallets are made of leather.
Yes, leather comes from animals. It is strong and looks nice. So my wallet is black leather.
And then what did she say?
She smiled and said, "Yes, someone found a black wallet. Please describe what is inside."
Describe means to say what something looks like or what it contains.
Right. So I described the things inside. I said there is an ID card with my photo, a blue credit card, and about $50 in cash.
And was it your wallet?
Yes, She opened a drawer and took out my wallet. Everything was still inside. I was so relieved.
Relieved. That is a great word. Relieved means you feel happy because something bad did not happen. You were worried, and then the worry went away.
Exactly. I felt so relieved. I thanked the woman many times, and she said a customer found my wallet on the floor near the checkout.
Checkout is the place where you pay for your items.
Yes, I must have dropped it when I was putting my groceries in the bag.
You were very lucky. Not everyone gets their wallet back.
I know. I was very, very lucky. There are many honest people in the world.
Honest means someone who tells the truth and does the right thing. The person who found your wallet was honest.
Yes, an honest person found my wallet and gave it to the customer service desk. I wish I could thank that person.
That is a beautiful story. But many people are not so lucky. What should someone do if they lose their wallet?
That is a very important question. Let me share what I learned. First, stay calm. Panicking does not help.
Panicking means feeling very scared and not thinking clearly.
Exactly. So, step 1, stay calm. Step 2, go back to the last place you used your wallet. Step 3, ask at the customer service desk or the lost and found.
Lost and found. That is another useful phrase. The lost and found is a place where lost items are kept.
Yes, an honest person found my wallet and gave it to the customer service desk. I wish I could thank that person.
That is a beautiful story. But many people are not so lucky. What should someone do if they lose their wallet?
That is a very important question.
Let me share what I learned. First, stay calm. Panicking does not help. Panicking means feeling very scared and not thinking clearly.
Exactly. So step 1, stay calm. Step 2, go back to the last place you used your wallet. Step 3, ask at the customer service desk or the lost and found.
Lost and found. That is another useful phrase. The lost and found is a place where lost items are kept.
Yes, many places have a lost and found. Airports, schools, shopping malls, train stations, they all have lost and found offices.
That is good to know. And what if you cannot find your wallet?
If you cannot find it, you need to cancel your credit cards. Call your bank immediately and tell them your card is lost.
Immediately means right now, without waiting.
Yes, do not wait. If someone takes your credit card, they can use it to buy things. So call the bank immediately.
That is very good advice. And what about your ID card?
If you lose your ID card, you need to report it. In most countries, you can go to the police station and report a lost ID card. Then you apply for a new one.
Apply for means to ask officially for something. You apply for a new ID card.
Correct. You fill out a form and pay a small fee. Then you get a new ID card in a few days or weeks.
David, I am curious about our listeners. I wonder if they have ever lost something important.
That is a great question for our audience. Hey everyone, what about you? Have you ever lost your wallet, your phone, or your keys? What happened? Please write your story in the comments below.
Yes, we would love to read your stories. Use some of the words we learned today. Worried, stressed, relieved, lost and found, customer service. Practice makes perfect.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to English Flow Zone. It helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English.
We make new episodes every week. Each episode helps you learn English naturally through real conversations. Absolutely. Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening. Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.